Good morning, student. Welcome to my class. I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher. So, student, today I will discuss about unit number 8, worksheet number 2. So, children, hope all of you are fine. So, let us start worksheet number 2. But before that, I want to repeat or recapitulate the topic that is related to this unit, unit number 8, simplification. So, I will like to repeat or recapitulate the previous unit worksheet, that is worksheet number 1. Now let us take an example. Without example, you will not be able to solve it. So example number 1. Simplify. Simplify. 30 into 16 minus 10. Now all of you look here carefully. How many mathematical operations are there? 1 and 2. Two mathematical operation. What is the meaning of this sign? Multiplication. What is the meaning of this sign? Subtraction. Now here we are doing simplification. So what is the rule of simplification? D mass. Okay. What is the order of solving it? Division. M for multiplication, second order. A for addition, third order. S for subtraction, last order. This is the order of solving it. Firstly we will solve division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here in this simplification, division sign is not there, multiplication sign is there. It means we will solve this, we will do this operation firstly. 30 into 16. We will first, what we will do? We will first multiply 30 and 16. We will firstly do this multiplication operation. Out of these two operations, multiplication and subtraction, we will firstly do multiplication operation, because here all of you see this is D mass, and the rule of solving this operations at a time, firstly we will start with division, then after division it is multiplication, then it is addition, then subtraction. And here in this simplification that we have to do, simplify it, here only multiplication and subtraction sign is there. So here according to this rule of D mass, which operation we will do first? Multiplication. So here firstly we will, first step we have to multiply 30 and 16. So let us do. $30 and 16. So here we will do simplification. 30 into 16 minus 10. So first step, we will multiply this 30 and 16. First step is multiply. Multiply what? 30 into 16. So let us solve it. 30 into 16 is 480. Now second step. So here we have to write 30 into 60 is 480 minus 10. Now single operation is left. First operation is solved, multiplication. Out of multiplication and subtraction, we will do first multiplication according to the rule of D mass. D mass. So here multiplication will be done first according to the order. We have to follow order from left to right. First, second, third, fourth. Here division sign is not there, multiplication sign is there. So we will firstly solve multiplication. So 30 into 16 is 480. So we write 480 after solving this operation. Then we will do the subtraction. So what we will get? 480 minus 10 is 470. So this is answer. Understood, children? Now firstly what we have done? Firstly we do multiplication, then we do subtraction. This is the second step. Right? At a time we can't do any operation at a time. So we have to do step by step. So here first step is firstly do multiplication, then second step is you do the subtraction. First is multiplication, then is subtraction according to the rule of D mass. Now let us take another example. 9 divided by 3 plus 6 multiplied by 2. So here all of you see that in this simplification more than 2 operations are mathematical expressions are there. Okay, first is it is division sign, second is addition sign, and third is multiplication sign. So we have to solve all these 3 operations together, but we can do only one operation at a time, right? So according to the rule of D mass, that is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Which one is followed? Which expression you will do first? Which operation we have to do first? This is division is first, multiplication is second, addition is third, and subtraction is fourth. So here the operation division is there, so it will be followed first. Correct? So we will firstly do division. After division, this is multiplication is there, then we have to do this multiplication in second number, and then this addition will be followed in the third number. First number division, second number multiplication, third number is addition. Okay, now all of you see 9 divided by 3 plus 6 multiplied by 2. Firstly we will do, first step we will do division. First divide. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Correct? Now write down 3 plus 6 into 2. Now second step. Then multiply. So here we will do multiplication equal to 3 plus 6 2s are 12. Then add. At last you have to do addition. Firstly you have to do division. Divide 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 plus 6 into 2. Then second number is this multiplication. This is second number. This is first number. Multiplication 6 into 2, 3. And whenever you are doing the operation, first operation, other number you have to write as it is. For example, 9 divided by 3. मैंने इसे 9 को 3 से divide दिया तो 3 आया. Other operation इसके बाद क्या आता है? Addition. मैंने addition को लिखा. Then 6 को लिखा. Then multiply, multiplication sign. Then 2. I have written. Other when we are solving for one operation, other operations are copied down as it is in the second step. So in the second step here you see that 2 operations are there, plus and multiply. So again according to the rule of D mass, this multiplication sign will be solved. So again I have written 3, then put down this, copy down this sign plus, and then I have solved 6 2s are 12. Right? Third step is this is the third step. We have to do addition 3 plus 12. So after adding it is 15. So this is the answer of simplification. This is the answer 15. 9 divided by 3 plus 6 multiplied by 2. So we have solved it, simplified it, and the answer is 1 5 15. So firstly what we have to do? Division sign. Then we have to write down all the signs and numbers as it is. Then second step we have to do multiplication sign. Then we have to again copy down other numbers and sign as it is. 3 I have written, then plus, and then we do the operation. 6 multiplied by 2, 6 2s are 12. Now here 3 plus 12, only one operation is there. We will do directly this operation, that is addition sign. 3 plus 12, it is 15. I hope all of you have understood. Now let us take another example. See, example is, now I am talking about worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. So here in worksheet number 1, let us come to question. Only one question is there. Simplify the following numerical expression. Now here I am solving question number 1a. 3 into 2 plus 8 minus 5. So here more than 2 mathematical operations are there, multiplication sign, plus sign and minus sign. Firstly write down multiplication sign, plus sign and minus sign. And this is the order of solving it. First number solving multiplication, second number solving addition, third number solving subtraction. Correct? Now let us firstly solve it. First step is we have to do this solving. 3, this is the first step. Firstly solve 3 into 2, multiplication sign. 3 2s are 6. Now write down, copy down all the other sign as it is. Plus 8 minus 5. Right? Now second step. Second number, which operation is there? Addition. This is second number. So we have to do addition. 6 plus 8, 14. Now we copy down other operation. Minus 5. 14 minus 5. Now this is the third. Lastly we will do this subtraction. 14 minus 5. It is 9. So it is the answer. 3 to just 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. So in this way you have to solve it step by step. Firstly you have to solve the step. We have to follow DMAS rule. D, firstly we do division, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, then lastly it is subtraction. So children, today's classwork is unit number 8, worksheet number 1. Classwork is question number 1, A, B, C and D, and homework is question number 1, E, F, G and H. So hope you have enjoyed my class, children. I think you have any kind of problem, then we will discuss in a, whenever I will conduct your live classes, we will discuss all your problems in the live classes. So till then, goodbye, Shabbat. In worksheet number 2, the topic is numerical expression involving fractions. This is the topic, today's topic. Numerical expressions involving the fractions. So in this we have to do the numeric expressions related to the fractions. In the earlier class, previous class, we have learnt about the numerical expression related to the numbers. Now let us do the numerical expressions related to the fraction. For example, 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4 plus 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So this is the numerical expression of the fraction. Because these numbers are fractions. 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 10. Here you see that there are more than one mathematical expressions are there. So this is, what is the meaning of this sign, children? It is division sign. This one addition. This one multiplication. Okay. This one subtraction. So there are number of mathematical expression, numerical expressions are, algebraic expressions are there. Numerical expressions are there, division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. So here we will use the method of rules, that is DMAS. Firstly we will have to solve division, first position. Second is multiplication, third is addition and at last is it is subtraction. So here also in this example 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So according to the Demar's rule, so it is, we will firstly, what we will do, this is the first step, we will do division. So 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. So let us do division. All of you know that in case of fraction, when we are doing the division, so the rule is just division sign will change into multiplication, and this fraction 5 by 4, it will become the reciprocal. We have to write down 4 by 5. Correct? This is the first step. So after multiplication, it is 7 4s are 28 by 8 by 40. Right? 28 by 40. It means it is, let us solve it. So it will be 4 7s are 28, 4 10s are 40. So it is 7 by 10. Right? Now second step. Write down the solution 7 by 10. Now plus this sign, multiplication, we will solve this second one. So 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. So let us do multiplication. So 3 by 20. 3 will be multiplied by 1 and 5 will be multiplied by 4. So it is 3 by 20. Now put the subtraction sign. Now next, third step. What we have to do after solving this multiplication, we have to do this addition. So this addition sign we will do. Let us solve it. 7 by 10 plus 3 by 20. So let us take LCM. 20, 14 plus 3. Correct? Now put this negative minus sign by 3 by 10. So it is 17 by 20 minus 3 by 10. So at last we will have to do the subtraction. So here denominator 20 and 10. So we will take the LCM. 20, 17 minus divide, 20 will be divided by 10. The 2 is the quotient, multiply this 3 by 2, 3 2 is 6. So answer is 11 by 20. So here all of you see that the result is, after simplification, is 11 by 20. What I have done, look carefully. Firstly 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. So here division sign will be solved first. This division sign we will solve first. So when we are doing division in case of fraction, let us recapitulate that the division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and this divisor will be, we have to write down the reciprocal of this divisor. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 4? So here all of you see that this numerical expression which is involving the fraction, like 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So there are more than one mathematical expressions are, mathematical operations are there. This is division, this is addition, this is multiplication, this is subtraction. So how we will do it? It is DAMS, but the rules of simplification is DMAS. It means firstly we have to do division, secondly we have to do multiplication, third addition, fourth subtraction. So following this sequence DMAS, so here we will solve this mathematical expression. So firstly we will do this division, correct? So here first step. So here 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. How you will solve it? As all of you know that in case of fraction, when we are doing division, so here it is, this is dividend and this is divisor. So dividend you have to write as it is. Now come to the sign of division. This is sign of division. It will be changed into the sign of multiplication. And this divisor 5 by 4, we have to write down reciprocal of this divisor, that is 4 by 5. Now we have to do multiplication. Numerator will be multiplied with numerator, okay, and denominator will be multiplied with denominator, correct? So 7 4s are 28 by 8 5s are 40. Now we will convert this 28 by 40 in the lowest term. So here 28, if we divide 28 by 4, then we have to divide 40 also by 4. So it is 7 by 10, right? So after division, 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4, it is 7 by 10. So here we will write down 7 by 10, then plus, then 3 by 5, then into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 10. Now come to next step. Here we see that addition, multiplication and subtraction. Which one we have to do first? Multiplication. So here we will have to multiply these fractions. 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. So let us start. Write down 7 by 10 as it is. We have to copy all other numbers as it is and the mathematical expression as it is. We have to solve only this 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. Now 7 by 10, put addition sign plus. Now solve it. Numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. So 3 1s are 3 and 5 4s are 20. Now we have put the, write down this minus sign and then 3 by 10. So again it is having more than one expression, plus and minus. Now come to the next step. Which one we will do first? Addition or subtraction? We have to do addition. What we will do? We have to do addition, right? So here now 7 by 10 plus 3 by 20. So we will take LCM. After taking LCM, 7 by 10 and 3 by 20, we take LCM 20. Now 20 is divided by 10, 7 by 10. So denominator is 10. So 20, this denominator is divided by 10. We get 2 as a quotient. Multiply the numerator by 2. So 7 2s are 14. Put this addition sign. Now 20 is divided by 20. 3 by 20, denominator is 20. So this denominator is divided by this one. 20 divided by 20 is 1. Now multiply this quotient 1 with 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now put this minus sign and then write down this 3 by 10. Now we solve it. 14 plus 3, 17 by 20 minus 3 by 10. Now here only one operation is there. Now let us solve it by taking LCM. 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1 quotient. 17 1s are 17. Put this minus sign. Now 20 divided by 10 is quotient 2. So multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6. Now here solve it. 17 minus 6 is 11 by 20. So this is the result after simplification. So in this way children, you have to do the simplification which is related to the fractional numbers. Now let us start with worksheet number 2. So here in worksheet number 2, question number 1. Simplify the following numerical expression. The first question is A. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Right? So here minus sign and the plus. Two mathematical operations are there. So we have which mathematical operation we will do first. Which one we will solve. So according to the rule of Demar's. So here we see that the addition, division sign, no division sign is there. Multiplication, no multiplication sign. Addition. So we will do addition first and then after that secondly we will do the subtraction. It is clear to you? Firstly we will do addition, then we will do subtraction. Now for addition, so let us see. This 3 by 8, it is having minus sign, right? So we will arrange this according to addition will be put together. 7 by 8, no sign is there before 7 by 8, it means it is positive, plus sign, plus 5 by 8. Okay, we put together 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8, plus sign. So now minus sign, minus 3 by 8, because minus sign is written before 3 by 8. So this is minus 3 by 8. We will keep it, write it lastly. Now we have to solve this plus sign firstly according to the rule of Demar's. So let us solve it. 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So take the LCM, same denominator, write down the 8 and then add the numerator as it is. 7 plus 5. Now write down this minus sign, then write down this 3 by 8. Now here, so let us solve it. 7 plus 5 equal to 12 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Right? Now here we will solve it. So how we will solve it? Take the LCM 8, same denominator, LCM is 8. Now we subtract just numerator 12 minus 3. And what is now subtract we? What do we get when 12 is subtracted with 3? So 3 subtracted from 12 is 9 by 8. Now this is a 9 by 8 is a improper fraction. So this improper fraction, it will be converted into mixed number. So it is 1 by 8. This is the answer. So in this way, children, you have to do it. So let us take another example. This is example number D. So question is 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So here all of you see, this is a fractional number. This 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So here all of you see that 5 by 4 is a fractional number, 3 by 4 is a fractional number, 1 by 2 is a fractional number, but 1 by 2 is a mixed number. So let us firstly convert this mixed number into fractional number. So write down 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into, convert it, 1 2 is a 2 plus 1 3, it is 3 by 2. Right? Now, here all of you see that 3 mathematical operations are there: division, subtraction and multiplication. So, according to the rule of Demas, which one will be solved first? Division will be solved first. After that, multiplication will be solved at the second number, and the subtraction, here addition is not there in this expression. So, subtraction will be done in the third number. Right? Now let us start. What we have to do? We have to do this one division in the first number. So 5 by 4 and then divide, division will be converted into multiplication, and this 3 by 4 we write the reciprocal of 3 by 4, which is 4 by 3, minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Write down other numbers and mathematical operation as it is. Correct? Now here we will do 3 by 4. Oh sorry, it is 5 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 into 4 by 3. So 4 and 4 is cut. It is 5 by 3. Now minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Right? Now here you will see that here minus sign and multiplication sign. Which operation we will do? Now we will do this multiplication sign first. Now here let us solve it. So here, let us write down 5 by 3 as it is, minus. Now 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Let us solve it. 1 3 is a 3 and 2 2 is a 4. So this is the last one. Minus sign is there. So let us take LCM 12. So 12 is divided by 3. We get 4. 5 4s are 20. Now minus 4, we divide 12 with 4, that will be you will get quotient as 3. 12 divided by 4, quotient is 3. Now 3 3s are 9. Now let us do the subtraction. 20 minus 9, it is 11. So answer is 11 by 12. So in this way, children, what you have to do, your classwork and homework. So your C work is worksheet number 2, unit number 8. Question number 1, A, B, C and D. And homework. Homework is question number 1, A, B, C is your classwork, and D, E and F is your homework. So hope children you have understood all the concept, complete clear concept. I mean concept is clear to you. If you have any queries, you may ask or clear your concept during the MST meeting, during the live class. Till then, goodbye, Shabbat khair. Bye bye children.